During the winter of 2012 to 2013, Buffalo, New York received 22 inches of snow in 12 hours. Oswego, New York received 31 inches of snow over a 15-hour period. Which city had a heavier snowfall rate? Remember, rate is an amount divided by a time. Round your answer to the nearest hundredth. So for Buffalo, we have 22 is the amount, and the time is 12. For Oswego, we have 31 is the amount, and 15 is the time. 12 fits into 22 once. That leaves us with 10. Then we need to bring down a 0. 12 fits into 100 8 times. And leaves us with 4 extra. Then we bring down a 0. And 12 fits into 40 3 times. And then we would have another 3. So if we round this to the nearest hundredth place, that means we keep 2 decimal spots. And the 3 is less than 5, so it stays. 1.83 for Buffalo. For the other town, 15 fits into 31 twice, with 1 left over. Then we bring down a 0. That is not enough, so we bring down another 0, and we put a 0 in that place value spot on the top. 15 fits into 100 6 times, and that leaves us with 10. Then we bring down a 0, and then we would have another 6 times. We're going to keep 2 decimal spots to round to the hundredths place, but the 6 bumps that previous number up, so it is rounded to 2.07. It says which city has a heavier snowfall rate, meaning which one gets more snow per hour, and that is this one, because 2.07 is more than 1.83 inches per hour. A striped marlin can swim at a rate of 70 miles per hour. Is this faster or slower than a sailfish, which takes 30 minutes to swim 40 miles? So the marlin is 70 miles per 1 hour. The sailfish is 40 miles in half an hour. That's 30 minutes. So half can be rewritten as 0.5. If we times these both by 2, we can create an equivalent fraction. Half times 2 is 1. So in 1 hour, the sailfish swims 80 miles, and in 1 hour, the marlin swims 70 miles. So, is the marlin faster or slower than the sailfish? Number 6. One math student, John, can solve 6 math problems in 20 minutes, while another student, Joaquin, can solve the same 6 problems at a rate of 1 problem per 4 minutes. Who works faster? So our first student, John, is 6 problems in 20 minutes. The other person solves 1 problem in 4 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to create equivalent fractions to try and figure out when they work for the same amount of time, who can do more problems. So we can bump this down to 3 and 10. Or we can modify this side by multiplying the top and bottom by 5. So this person can do 5 problems in 20 minutes. So who works faster? If you can solve 6 problems in 20 minutes or 5 problems in 20 minutes, which one is faster?